Top 5 Best Bread You Must Eat to Flush Out Toxins and Repair Kidney Fats. What if I told you that the type of bread you eat every day could either help clean toxins from your body or quietly make your kidney problems worse? I get this question all the time. What bread is actually safe for kidney disease? And then the truth is, not all bread is the same. Some types can overload your kidneys with sodium and phosphorus, while others can support digestion, reduce toxin buildup, and help your kidneys work better. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 best breads you should eat to flush out toxins and help repair your kidneys using simple facts that anyone can understand. No confusing medical words, just clear and honest information you can actually use. So, make sure you watch until the end, because the last bread on this list is one most people eat every day, but almost no one realizes how powerful it can be for kidney health. But before we begin, drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Whole grain, whole wheat bread. When it comes to protecting your kidneys, whole grain or whole wheat bread can be one of the smartest upgrades you make in your daily routine. It may seem like a simple food, but the difference between refined bread and whole grain bread is much bigger than most people realize. The key benefit comes down to fiber, and fiber plays a powerful role in supporting kidney health. When you eat foods rich in fiber, your digestive system works more efficiently, helping your body move waste out faster. This means fewer toxins stay circulating in your bloodstream, and as a result, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter and remove them. A true whole grain bread includes all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. These layers contain important nutrients like B vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals that support overall body function, including your kidneys. Ingredients to look for include whole wheat flour, oats, rye, barley, or even corn. The more natural and complete the grain, the more benefits your body receives. Fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which is extremely important because high blood sugar is one of the leading causes of kidney damage over time. Now, a lot of people get confused between whole wheat and whole grain. The difference is simple. Whole wheat comes only from wheat, while whole grain can include a variety of grains. Both are healthy choices, as long as they are labeled 100% whole. That's where many people go wrong. Some breads may look brown or healthy, but still contain refined flour. Always check the label. If the first ingredient isn't 100% whole wheat or whole grain, it's not the best option for your kidneys. Even when you choose the right bread, balance still matters. Eating large amounts can still add extra workload to your body. For most people, 1 to 2 slices per day is enough to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. Pair your bread with kidney-friendly options like fresh vegetables, eggs, or simple spreads. Try to avoid processed toppings that are high in sodium, as too much salt can raise blood pressure and put extra strain on your kidneys. At the end of the day, protecting your kidneys doesn't always require complicated diets. Sometimes, it starts with simple choices like switching your bread. Small habits like this, repeated daily, can quietly support your health and make a real difference over time. Number 2. Gluten-free bread. For some people, eating regular bread isn't as harmless as it seems. It can lead to bloating, stomach discomfort, or even pain. And if you're sensitive to gluten, this issue goes deeper than just digestion. When your digestive system isn't working properly, waste can stay in your body longer than it should. Over time, that extra buildup can quietly increase the workload on your kidneys, forcing them to filter more toxins than necessary. But here's the good news: you don't have to give up bread completely. You just need to choose a better option. Gluten-free bread can be a smart alternative, especially when it's made from natural, easy-to-digest grains like rice, corn, quinoa, buckwheat, or amaranth. These grains are naturally free from gluten and are often gentler on your stomach. When digestion improves, your body can remove waste more efficiently, which means less pressure on your kidneys. However, this is where many people make a mistake. Not all gluten-free bread is automatically healthy. To improve taste and texture, some brands add extra sodium, phosphorus, or potassium. For someone trying to protect their kidneys, this can be a hidden problem. Too much sodium can raise blood pressure, while excess phosphorus and potassium can build up in the body and create additional strain on the kidneys. That's why reading the label is so important. Don't rely on the gluten-free label alone. Look closely at the nutrition facts. Choose options that are lower in sodium, have minimal additives, and contain simple, recognizable ingredients. The shorter the ingredient list, the better. Portion size also plays a big role. Even the healthiest bread can become a problem if eaten in large amounts. A smart approach is to stick to one slice at a time, or at most 1 to 2 slices per day. Pair your bread with fresh, whole foods like vegetables, eggs, or lean protein to keep your meals balanced. At the same time, try to avoid salty spreads or processed meats that can cancel out the benefits. When chosen carefully, gluten-free bread can do more than just prevent discomfort. It can support smoother digestion, reduce toxin buildup, and help your kidneys work more efficiently. Sometimes, small changes like this are all it takes to make a real difference in how your body feels every day. Number 3. Sprouted grain bread. If you're looking for a type of bread that's even gentler on your kidneys and easier on your digestion, sprouted grain bread is one of the best choices you can make. It might sound like a small upgrade, but the way this bread is made creates a big difference inside your body. Sprouted grain bread comes from whole grains that have been soaked in water until they begin to sprout. This natural process changes the structure of the grain, making it easier to digest and more beneficial for your overall health, especially if your kidneys need extra support. Compared to regular white bread, sprouted grain bread offers more fiber, more protein, and a richer supply of natural vitamins and minerals. That fiber plays a key role. It helps your digestive system move waste out more efficiently, which means fewer toxins remain in your bloodstream. When toxin levels drop, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter everything out. Over time, that reduced workload can make a real difference. There's also another powerful benefit happening behind the scenes. Sprouting reduces compounds called phytates, which are known to block the absorption of important minerals. When these are lowered, your body can better absorb nutrients like iron, calcium, and zinc. This is especially helpful for people with kidney concerns, since nutrient absorption can sometimes be less efficient. On top of that, sprouted grains naturally increase antioxidant levels, helping to fight inflammation and protect delicate kidney cells from further stress or damage. A well-known example is sprouted grain bread like Ezekiel bread. Just one slice can give you a solid boost of protein and fiber, making it more satisfying and more nourishing than many other breads. But even with all these benefits, balance still matters. Eating too much of anything can still create unnecessary strain. A smart approach is to keep your portions to 1 slice per meal, or 1 to 2 slices per day. Pair it with fresh, low-sodium foods like vegetables, eggs, or lean protein. Avoid salty spreads or processed toppings that can cancel out the benefits you're trying to gain. When used the right way, sprouted grain bread becomes more than just a food choice. It becomes a simple daily habit that supports digestion, reduces toxin buildup, and helps your kidneys function more smoothly over time. Number 4. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread stands out from most other breads, and that difference begins with how it's made. Instead of relying on fast-acting commercial yeast, sourdough goes through a slow, natural fermentation process using wild yeast and beneficial bacteria. This extra time isn't just for flavor, it actually changes how your body responds to the bread. During fermentation, part of the gluten is broken down, making sourdough easier to digest. Even if you're not fully sensitive to gluten, easier digestion means less strain on your gut. And when your gut is healthier, fewer toxins build up in your system, which helps take pressure off your kidneys. Another hidden advantage of sourdough is its lower FODMAP content. FODMAPs are types of carbohydrates that can be difficult for your body to absorb, often leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. The fermentation process reduces these compounds, which is why many people with sensitive digestion find sourdough much easier to tolerate. Smoother digestion doesn't just feel better, it also supports your body's natural detox process, reducing the workload on your kidneys over time. Now, here's something many people don't realize. When it comes to kidney health, not all sourdough is the same. For individuals managing kidney concerns, white sourdough can sometimes be a better choice than whole grain sourdough. Why? Because it tends to be lower in potassium and phosphorus, two minerals that can build up in the body when kidney function is reduced. This makes it a more manageable option for those trying to protect their kidneys. Sourdough also provides useful nutrients. A single slice can offer energy, a bit of protein, and iron, which supports healthy red blood cells. This is especially important because many people with kidney issues need to maintain good blood health. But here's where you need to be careful. Not all sourdough sold in stores is truly traditional. Some versions contain added sodium, preservatives, or hidden phosphate additives that can put extra strain on your kidneys. Always check the ingredient list. The best sourdough should be simple: flour, water, salt, and a natural starter. Fewer ingredients usually mean fewer hidden problems. Portion size matters too. Stick to one slice at a time, and aim for no more than 1 to 2 slices per day. Pair it with fresh, low-sodium foods like eggs, vegetables, or healthy spreads. Avoid processed or salty toppings that can cancel out the benefits. When chosen wisely and eaten in moderation, sourdough bread can be a gentle, satisfying option that supports digestion, reduces toxin buildup, and fits comfortably into a kidney-friendly lifestyle. Number 5. White bread. For many years, white bread was considered the safest choice for people with chronic kidney disease, and for good reason. It's naturally lower in phosphorus and potassium compared to whole grain breads. When your kidneys aren't working at full strength, managing these minerals becomes very important. Too much phosphorus or potassium in the blood can create extra stress on the kidneys, so white bread became a simple and reliable option, especially in the early stages of kidney care. But here's where things have changed. Over the past decade, experts have started to look at the bigger picture. Not all phosphorus and potassium behave the same way in your body. The minerals found naturally in whole foods are often absorbed less efficiently than those added to processed foods. That means you don't always need to avoid them completely, especially if your kidney condition is stable and well managed. Another reason white bread is no longer the top recommendation is because of what it lacks. Compared to whole grain or sprouted bread, white bread is lower in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a key role in digestion and help your body remove waste more effectively. Without them, your body and your kidneys don't get as much support as they could. Still, let's be clear. White bread is not bad, and it's definitely not off limits. In fact, enjoying foods you actually like can make a big difference in staying consistent with a healthy routine. And consistency is one of the most important factors in protecting your kidneys long term. The key is making smarter choices. Some white breads are loaded with sodium and added sugars, which can raise blood pressure and lead to fluid retention, two things that put extra strain on your kidneys. Always check the label. Look for simple options with lower sodium, minimal sugar, and short ingredient lists. The fewer additives, the better. Portion size also matters more than most people think. Even with a safer option, eating too much can still add unnecessary pressure to your system. For most people, 1 to 2 slices per day is a reasonable range. Pair it with fresh, low-sodium foods like vegetables, eggs, or lean protein, and try to avoid processed meats or salty spreads. At the end of the day, white bread may not be the most nutrient-rich choice, but when used wisely, it can still fit into a balanced, kidney-friendly diet. Sometimes, the best plan isn't about perfection, it's about finding a way of eating you can stick with every single day. At the end of the day, choosing the right bread for your kidneys doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It's actually much simpler than most people think. As you've seen, there isn't just one perfect option. Whole grain, gluten-free, sprouted grain, sourdough, and even white bread can all have a place in a kidney-friendly diet when you choose them wisely and keep your portions under control. The real secret isn't about cutting bread out. It's about understanding what works best for your body. Your taste, your digestion, and your personal health goals all matter. When you start paying attention to simple things like ingredient quality, sodium levels, and portion size, bread becomes something that can support your health instead of working against it. It can help improve digestion, reduce toxin buildup, and make your daily meals feel normal, satisfying, and enjoyable again. This isn't about restriction. It's about making smarter, more confident choices. Because the truth is, small changes, like choosing a better type of bread, can quietly add up over time and make a real difference in how your kidneys function and how you feel every day. So instead of guessing or giving up foods you enjoy, you now have a clear direction. Pick the option that fits your lifestyle, keep it balanced, and stay consistent. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more simple, practical kidney health tips. And I'd love to hear from you. What kind of bread works best for you? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, take care of your kidneys, and I'll see you in the next video.